We'll guide you through how to make a cloudy texture in After Effects. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe After Effects on your device. After the workspace appears, begin a new project and create a composition with a custom name. Then click OK to continue. Next, create a new solid layer as the base for your procedural texture. Apply fractal noise to the solid layer and change the fractal type to dynamic for a more fluid pattern. Increase contrast and slightly lower brightness to bring out stronger details in the texture. Raise complexity to make the pattern richer and more detailed. Open the transform settings under fractal noise and adjust the scale values to control the size of the texture elements. Animate the evolution property to create continuous organic movement across the surface. If needed, apply fastbox blur to soften harsh details and create a smoother appearance. Add tint using white and light gray colors to achieve a clean, soft visual style. You can also experiment with different noise settings to create more abstract variations of the texture. Combining subtle blur and animation can make the texture feel more natural and dynamic. Try duplicating the solid layer and changing its blend mode for extra depth and richness. You can also keyframe the contrast over time to make the texture feel more alive. Small adjustments in scale and evolution speed can significantly change the overall mood of the effect. This technique is commonly used in motion graphics for futuristic or abstract backgrounds. Continue refining the balance between contrast, scale, and movement until the result looks visually appealing. Once everything is complete, preview the result by playing the timeline from the beginning and check that all effects work smoothly. Finally, save your project, add the composition to the render queue, and click Render to export the final video.